On this episode of Cookin' with Coop, I'm throwing Coop into the deep end.
Whoa! And she's gonna show me how to make a delicious, easy, inexpensive, authentic Italian dish on this episode of Cookin' with Coop. On this show, my mom teaches me how to cook. And today we're making
Cacio e Pepe.
Cacio e Pepe.
This dish is so classic. If someone came to the United States and said, "What should I have to eat?" you'd say,
Pizza.
And if you went to Rome, Italy, they'd say, Cacio e Pepe.
All right, Mom, I'm excited to make this, so let's just jump on into it.
First, we start with toasting our peppercorns. You're gonna take 1 tablespoon of peppercorn,
Table soon.
a tablespoon of peppercorns, a tablespoon of butter, and a tablespoon of oil. You're gonna put the oil and the butter in the pan,
Gonna put the oil and the butter in the pan.
and you're gonna get it all nice and zhuzhed up, and then you're gonna put the peppercorns in and toast them up for a couple minutes just to bring out their flavor.
Yes.
Then we're gonna start cooking the pasta. You're gonna get your water boiling, and you're gonna add a lot of salt to the water.
That's
the key. That's the only thing flavoring your pasta is the salt.
Okay.
Get that going, put your pasta in, and stir it up. Cook it till it's al dente, which is firm. And then you're gonna leave the pasta water in the pan because we're gonna use it for the sauce.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, that was deep, Cooper.
Yes.
Yes. Don't throw out the pasta water because we're going to use it.
Yes.
So grab your pasta and put it in here. And we're hoping that some of the water comes along with it.
Yep.
Because that's going to help us make a sauce.
Some for me.
Now we're going to take a little bit of the pasta water.
Okay.
Right?
Just a wee bit.
That's a half of a cup.
Half of a cup.
A quarter cup.
You might call it a quarter cup.
We'll just start with that. Then you're going to put a cup of grated Parmesan Romano cheese in, not shredded, grated, because you want it to be finely grated.
Okay.
And then stir it up.
Stir it up. I think I can do this. Ding! It's time to stir it up.
Get that all in there, and it's going to make a creamy sauce.
I say it's about time for the taste test.
Let's do it.
All right. I'm going.
Oh my God.
I'm going big, Mom.
Cooper.
I'm going big.
You went too big.
I went too big, Mom. I saw my life flash before my eyes.
Spaghetti coming out your nose.
Almost. But boy, is that good. That's really flavorful.
Pasta, pepper, Parmesan.
Pepe. Pasta, pepper.
Pasta, pepper, Parmesan. So easy, budget friendly. You can do it, and you just did.
I just did. Y'all saw it.
And it was delicious.
It was so good.
Loved it.
Love it.
If you're curious about why we have this side dish here, go to our YouTube channel and check out our next episode, How to Make a Wedge Salad.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Coop.
Thanks, Mom. And thank you guys for watching yet another episode. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.